Here we have my Webb's 4-stroke overhead valve Salini lawnmower. Brought from Sainsbury's for 65 quid. So far, I've done alright. It's paid for itself in gardening jobs. Although she gets too hot. So I've recently done a breather mod from the engine, which originally went onto the airbox, and I've put a harder bit of plastic pipe in it to keep the pipe open and just let it breathe into the atmosphere, because when it gets hot it carries on running with that disconnected. But if you have it connected, it stalls. But yeah, other than that, it's been a good little lawnmower. So now you're going to find out what it sounds like with no exhaust on it, just because some cop keeps riding around on his little Honda CB 125. So I thought, nah, fuck it, I'll make some noise as well. May as well. Pretty much the same comparison as little motorbike to my lawnmower. Probably sounds the same, to be fair. So we shall find out what it sounds like. And there we have it. Pretty noisy. An odd flame. But yeah, just done out of pure boredom. Thanks for watching.